Okay, did you know that in many states you can start working at the age of 14 and 15?
Awesome! Yes!
While this may be exciting, don't rush out and start applying to jobs just yet. There's a few things you need to know. Hey there, it's Marilyn from Get Schooled, and we're your free digital college and job advisor. We're posting new videos every week, so be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to get our latest video. You can also head over to getschooled.com to unlock even more resources. Before starting a job, we need to let you know of labor laws that apply to you. But what does that mean? When classes are in session, you can only work 3 hours per day during the school week, including Friday. You also can't exceed 18 hours per week and can only work between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. When school is not in session, you can work up to 8 hours per day, which includes spring and summer breaks if you are not taking classes. During the summer, you can work until 9 p.m. instead of 7 p.m., but you can't work more than 40 hours per week. Be sure to check the link in the description below for more details about when you can and cannot work. So what kind of jobs can you get? Options include working in retail, tutoring, yard work, working in the food service, computer programming, and many more. Unfortunately, the law doesn't allow you to work in construction, factories, or with hazardous materials. This includes using power tools such as lawnmowers, edge trimmers, baking equipment, trash compactors, and forklifts.
You should not drive the forklift.
You're not allowed to drive the forklift.
It's not safe. You don't have a license.
The minimum wage in the US is $7.25 an hour. But if you're younger than 20, you can be paid $4.25 an hour for the first 90 days of your employment. But of course, try to get as much as possible. Work experience is valuable. To learn more about the minimum age in your state, be sure to visit the Department of Labor's website provided in the description below. If you're enrolled in a workforce experience or career exploration program through your school, you may be able to work up to 23 hours per week while classes are in session. Jobs will vary by school, but they typically include working in the main office, the library, cafeteria, or with a sports team. If this interests you, be sure to visit your guidance counselor to learn more. To learn more about work opportunities for 14 and 15-year-olds, be sure to check out our links and content in the description below. You can also text jobs to 335577 or head to getschooled.com. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.